Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is not Jamie. Who am I right now? Francisca. Francisca talks like this, alright? So welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome. No, I can't talk like that. I feel like I'm like seducing you guys, okay? I created this nice Halloween look. As you can see, I am a fortune teller, so let me see. Hold on a second. Oh, if you are a new subscriber, I see that you will be subscribing. Yes, subscribing to my channel. I see that in the future. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get into the video. So I'm starting out by priming my face with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I've been loving this stuff lately. For foundation, I'm using my CoverFX Power Play in the shade G40. This stuff is so long wearing. I absolutely love it. And I'm buffing that out with a number 47 brush by Sephora, my favorite brush of all time. For concealer, I'm using the new MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix in the shade NC35. And I'm also blending that in with the 47 brush. I'm going to be setting it with my Huda Beauty Baking Powder in the shade Banana Bread, and that is on a 79 Sephora brush as well. I'm also going to be setting the rest of my face with the excess powder that's on the brush. Now to bronze my cheeks, I'm using my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Golden Light. You guys know I love this stuff. And I'm blending that in with a MAC 168 brush. I'm also going to be priming my lids with the matte concealer that I use under my eyes. I'm going to be blending that in and setting it with the Huda powder that I used before. Now going into my crease, I'm using my number 27 blending brush from Sephora, and I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Scandalous palette, and I'm taking the shade That's Why and buffing it into my crease. For my lid shade, I'm actually using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar, and I'm using the shade called Cherry Cordial all over my lid, and then also buffing that out with the same brush. I really wanted this look to be kind of like blown out, so it's okay to be a little messy. It doesn't have to be like a traditional, perfect eye. On the bottom, I'm also buffing out that same shade from the chocolate bar, and I'm using my Anastasia brush, the number A14, and then I'm going back in with my crease brush and buffing that out more. For eyeliner, I'm using my Pat McGrath Extreme Black eyeliner. I love this liner. It is so black and intense. It's definitely my favorite liner. And then I'm going back in with the Anastasia brush and blending that out. Now for my glitter tears, I'm using my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. That's in the shade Molten Midnight. And I'm just drawing fake tears down my eyes. Then I'm spraying my A23 Anastasia highlighting brush with my CoverFX spray. And I'm using the Nicole Guerrero highlight palette from Anastasia. This was limited edition, I believe, so they don't sell it anymore, but it is a great highlight palette. The shade I'm using is called Kitty Cat, and it kind of has like a pink hue to it, which is why I chose that one. That's the only highlight I have that has like a pink hue. For lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick, and that's in the shade Trophy Wife. I love the formula of the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipsticks. They're not drying at all. The lip, however, wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, so I went over it with the Nudestix matte lip color in the shade Vino just to give it a deeper look. I also wanted to add some detailing to my face, so I used the NYX liquid eyeliner to create some dots over my eyebrows. then I wanted to give myself also a more bronzy look, so I went in with my MAC Give Me Some bronzer. It's a little bit more orange than the Bobbi Brown one. Also for my eyes, I added the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Bounce, just to give my eyes like a little sheen. And then I'm going in with the same Anastasia highlighter underneath my brows and in my inner tear duct, just to give myself that extra glow. And voila! This is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.